Borobudur is the largest temple in the world and a UNESCO-recognized cultural heritage. With its magnificent architecture and reliefs rich in meaning, every corner tells an amazing history. Kunjungilah Borobudur saat festival dan nikmati pesona budaya yang tidak terlupakan. Rasakan magisnya berdiri di puncak candi dengan pemandangan luar biasa.
Don't speak tales long gone. Whispers carved in sacred lines. Time echoes through design. Steps we climb in silent prayer. Air is thick with ancient care. Hands that shape this melody live inside this history. Sing, sing the soul of Borobudur. Let the earth and sky endure. Hear the past in every tone. Feel the drum inside your bones. Voices call from temple walls. Rain like rhythm gently falls. Gongs and strings begin to blend, where the roots and spirits mend. Flowing water chants arise, stars reflected in our eyes. Every note a sacred breath, dances in the face of death. We carry songs through blood and bone. No one sings these songs alone. Sing, sing the soul of Borobudur. Let the earth and sky endure. Drum of time, the breath of yore. We are echoes evermore. Sing, sing the soul of Borobudur. Let the earth and sky endure. Through each voice and every score, we are echoes evermore.